Good morning. Today we're switching campsites and we'll be touring Spearfish, Deadwood, and we'll be passing through Sturgis. Come along and join us. I'm Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. Join my husband Ronny, my brother KP, and his wife Babette as we continue our adventure from the crawfish ponds of Louisiana to the mountains of Alaska. Today we're just barely crossing into Wyoming because the route is shorter. Excuse the spots on the windshield, but it's been raining a lot here. We'll soon be crossing right back into South Dakota. This is where we'll be camping for the next 2 days. Sand Creek Wildlife Habitat Management Area. As soon as we arrived, we noticed cattle crossing the creek. So this is our camping spot for the next 2 nights. Not bad. Ronny got a drone view of our camping site. This is the back view of our campsite, but we're doing everything on the other side of the campers. Listen carefully to the sounds of nature. If anybody knows what type of bugs these are, please drop me a comment and enlighten me. We're driving on the Spearfish Canyon Scenic Highway. Our first stop is Bridal Veil Falls. We're near the beginning of the trail that goes to the Devil's Bathtub. It is a good place for families to slide down rocks. Now get a look at these 2 good-looking men. That's my brother and my husband. Our drive took us through Lead, which is the Golden District. Much of the Black Hills gold comes from here. The Homestake Mine in Leeds gives tours. As we step into historic Deadwood, South Dakota, it feels like a story that never quite ended. We started our visit in the Welcome Center, which is located in the old train depot. There is lots of information here. Deadwood is a National Historic Landmark. It was a wild, lawless gold rush town which has done a great job of preserving its history of gold diggers, gambling, and prostitution. This was the stomping grounds of Wyatt Earp, Wild Bill Hickok, and Calamity Jane. Here we see the front of Sheriff Seth Bullock's hotel and hardware store. He was close friends with Theodore Roosevelt. If you'd like to know more about Deadwood, I highly recommend watching the TV series Deadwood. There are brothel tours available. The museum gets good reviews and is sponsored by the city. It is done in a tasteful way, but you must be 16 years old to enter. Prostitution was actually legal until 1980. After prostitution became illegal, gambling eventually was legalized in Deadwood. The proceeds helped to fund the tourist attraction. This is the famous Saloon Number 10. It is one of 2 bars that claim to be the location where Wild Bill Hickok was murdered. The truth is, the original saloon burned in 1879. When Wild Bill was shot, he was gambling. Jack McCall came in and shot him in the head in 1876. It is said that he was holding the dead man's hand, which is a pair of black aces and eights. We attended one of the many scheduled reenactments at Saloon Number 10. Here are a few clips from that performance.
Welcome to the world-famous Saloon Number 10. Now, this is the only museum in the world with a bar in it. You know that's why I got here. I love museums. Y'all know who I am? Wild Bill Hickok.
Some guys in the audience were asked to join the card game.
Established up and down Deadwood City's main street, working around the clock in one fashion or the other. Honky Tonk.
No. I tell you what, I'll deal when I get there. I gotta get a
gambler
drink
from
first.
Cheyenne,
Guy,
Carl
right?
Mann, owner
Can I
of
get a
Saloon,
course? Can I
and
get
his
15?
duties.
Thank you so much.
Soon, a shifty drifter known as Jack McCall entered the saloon. Bill quickly turned while drawing. Recognizing McCall as a newcomer to town, he greeted him with the friendly
Howdy, Jack.
then reholstered his gun.
He was here last night playing. I can't believe he came back
Jack slowly
today.
circled the table, pausing briefly behind each player and analyzing
All right,
each
Joe,
hand.
it's your bet. Bet him up, Lucky. What are you looking at? What?
Well, you
No,
make
no,
it.
no,
Sorry,
no,
I figured it out.
Wild Bill.
Stick around
Suddenly,
with Ted,
Jack
Carl. Not well, we know you got it.
Such a sad ending. Of course, there are many souvenir shops in the area. And look at my crew enjoying their ice cream on this warm, sunny afternoon. This is a statue of Sheriff Seth Bullock. There are also many scheduled reenactments of gunfights in the streets. There are many beautiful Queen Anne and Victorian homes in Deadwood. The Mount Moriah Cemetery holds the remains of Wild Bill Hickok, Calamity Jane, Seth Bullock, and many more notable people. You can get a good view of Deadwood from here. You do need to climb a hill with a sharp incline to get here. Calamity Jane is buried right next to Wild Bill Hickok. This was her dying request. Here are their graves. To know who Mr. Wu is, you'll need to watch the Deadwood series on TV. At Doll's Chainsaw Art, there are many beautiful wood carvings for sale. The Adams Museum preserves the history of the town. The Adams House and the Bullock Hotel are both believed by the townfolk to be haunted. There is a hop-on, hop-off bus available to help people get around the city. We passed through Sturgis, which is famous for its annual 10-day motorcycle rally in September. There is a motorcycle museum to visit. There was nothing going on, but Ronny wanted to pass through town since we were here. We're back at the campground now, and as I looked out the window through the rain, I spotted a beautiful rainbow. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the road.